out of their own homes. So that's why we're inviting everybody who doesn't have to go out, not to go out. The interior expressways, we are seeing some pavement, but we still have a lot of work to do. The outlying areas with the flowing and Turkey, much longer to get them under control. Carmen, do you have any numbers on people stranded at the Minutemen have had to rescue? You know, I asked about that from the last call, and I haven't gotten an update yet, but as soon as I do, I can forward that to you.
All right, so still, I mean, are you still driving in rust kind of on the expressways? I know the plows are out, but is it still that treacherous?
Yes.
Okay, all right, so there you have it, folks. Those are...
That's 410. Voucher traffic.
Hello, Paul. Right now, I want to talk about some closures. We can put up the first map because there are total of updates for you. The DCA Brown line, no service between Kimball and Western. Shuttle buses are there to get folks between those spots, but the other alternative to do is the number 81 Lawrence bus. And also on the yellow line, we have suspended service as well, and that is pretty much for the whole line there. And DCA is recommending that you use number 97 Scotia. 290 is closed between the Jane Addams and both directions.
I can hold it, brother. I'm holding it.